Welcome to Top 4 Earn Channel.
Do you want to go from zero to over $12,000 on YouTube without filming yourself, without talking into the microphone, without any previous experience? Obviously, YouTube is a massive platform, and if you want to make money with this, it has to be 100% newbie friendly, a fail-proof method for making money out of thin air, and also automated so you can do it once and get paid over and over again, and without a website, without all the techie stuff. So this is only for you if you can imagine your YouTube views and subscribers growing fast and your PayPal balance increasing every day. Because if you stay to the end of this video, I'll give you a bonus to make even more money even faster and easier. So you can travel the world or work from home just with your laptop and internet connection. But before that, slap that subscribe button. It's a tool that I'm going to show you how to use in just a second that will make it so easy for you to make money on autopilot with YouTube. Now, at first, before that, I want to show you some examples of channels like this. This channel right here is called Sir Reddit, and you can see the thumbnails here. It looks super easy, and I'm going to show you how extremely easy this content is to make. And if you check his social blade right here, you can see that he's making anywhere from $4,000 all the way up to $35,000 every single month. Now, this is just an estimate by the tool Social Blade, and I would estimate out of my own experiences with channels similar like this, it would probably be in the middle $12,000 to $15,000 every single month for 3 million views. Now, what about this other channel right here called Brainy Dude? You can see his top videos, 3 million, 3.2 million, 3 million right here as well. He's getting anywhere from $2,000 up to $22,000 monthly earnings. And I estimate this to be in the middle again, about $10,000 each and every month for about 2 million views. Now, what are these YouTube channels actually doing? So let's go to Sir Reddit with these super simple thumbnails, and let's just go into one of his videos right here. Just like that. It is a screenshot, and I'm gonna just go through this. It's literally screenshots of comments on Reddit and a robot voice in the background that is literally reading the comments off of Reddit. So this is what is called a Reddit curation YouTube channel. So let me show you step by step with no steps skipped exactly how to do this. The first step is to go over to reddit.com. And if you don't know what Reddit is, it's basically the 11th biggest social media platform on earth and one of my absolute favorites. Reddit has some bangers. It's so fun. And what's so cool about Reddit is that it has all these different subcategories. It's kind of like a online forum where we have, for example, Ask Reddit here, r Ask Reddit, which is a subreddit, r News, r MBA. So you can go into all of these and get more information just like that. Now, what are these guys actually doing? Well, they're actually posting from r Ask Reddit. So you can see all of these videos that have gotten 2.8 million views without even filming videos. And also, Sir Reddit has Ask Reddit, Ask Reddit, Ask Reddit. And what he's doing is he is going into this and he's clicking on r Ask Reddit. And you can see that in the top right here, we have this URL. Now, all you need to do if you were gonna do this on a weekly basis is click on top and click on this week. Here you will find the most upvoted for the last week. So you say 2 days ago, 3 days ago, 91,000 upvotes for these, you know? So all you would have to do is Steve Irwin has you pinned down in a headlock. What cool facts does he tell the audience about you and your habitat? That's so dumb. I don't care. He calls me a beaut and I really needed to hear it. Hey, and by the way, if you're watching this video right now, you're beautiful. And if you want to make money online fast, just like these other YouTubers, all you would really have to do is screenshot this right here. Now, the tool that I use that I love is called ShareX, and you can get sharex.com and download that right now. And then you would have to just click on Control Print Screen and then just select all that you want to have, just like that. Boop. We have screenshotted that text. Also in the videos, he has these comments, and it's called a comment thread. Basically, the first comment, they all comment on that first comment. So it's basically like this in a ladder, and you can see that it goes further and further down based on just this first comment. So basically what they do is that they start with the first comment, and they just have these comment threads just like this, you know? So now that you have a couple of screenshots, you need copyright-free music and text-to-speech robot voice. So first of all, head over to YouTube audio library and just click on the audio library right here. Here you can find thousands of soundtracks that you can use completely for free with no copyright, because you don't really want copyrighted music on your videos. They can get taken down and your channel can get a strike, and then you don't make any money at all. So you can click right here and you can see you are free to use this song and monetize your video. All you need to do is click on this download button right here, and you can see that it starts downloading in the lower left hand corner. Really good. Now the next is text to speech. Now I have researched heavily into text to speech, and I actually use text to speech on a weekly basis, and the #1 tool that I use is called Speechello. Now this is an actual paid software, and I just use it because it's the best. Also, there will be a link to it in the description down below. So now all you would have to do is just copy this text right here, go back to Speechello, paste it directly in here, and before I click preview voiceover, and you can hear Billy Joey, which is the best text-to-speech voice I've ever heard. I want you to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Let's try hit 2,000 likes on this video, because that means that you're getting value out of this video. You're liking the content I produce. Also comment I want to make online because, and give me a reason, and you can win a $1,000 course to quit your job, work from home, travel the world. I'll show you the winner of the last video at the end. So here is the Billy Joe, and I think he is so good compared to all other voices. So let's preview the voiceover right now. So I copied a little bit more text for you guys, and then we're gonna generate voice. Now they have normal tone, friendly tone, and serious tone. These are so different from each other, but we're gonna generate the voiceover right here. And then I'm actually gonna show you a bad voiceover after that you can use for free. We're gonna just play this right here and listen to this.
Steve Irwin has you pinned down in a headlock. What cool facts does he tell the audience about you and your habitat? Crikey, this Lil Rongo is quite the sneaky little one. This particular type of animal can hide in a dark room all day and never even see the sunshine. She will do as much as she can to avoid others of her kind.
Did you guys hear that? Do you guys hear how much better that voice is? So we're actually gonna click on download here for the voiceover, and you can see that the MP3 comes up in the bottom left corner right here. So now you have the voiceover, now you have the screenshots and the copyright-free music. So how do you actually make the video? Well, head over to DaVinci Resolve 16. This is one of the free softwares that you can use that is super simple to make videos on Windows, Linux, and Mac. If you have a Mac and you're more familiar with iMovie, you could obviously use that as well. So now you would literally drag all your screenshots over to DaVinci Resolve right here. Then you would just take the text to speech, drag it directly into DaVinci Resolve media pool right here, and the last copyright free music right into the media pool again. Now all you need to do is click on the edit at the bottom right here, and then just drag the Chrome screenshot about the Steve Irwin thing. And then you have the comments down below here, and then you drag all of it out. So this is the comment, this is the other comment. And then you take your text to speech, just drag it down here as well. And then you can post your copyright free music in the background here. So you would make a video like this, and then all you would do is click on file, you would click on quick export, and then you can literally click on YouTube, sign in to publish directly to your YouTube channel. Isn't that simple?